Okay, cacao?
Yeah.
Would you like
Yes,
some
please.
cocoa?
He thinks he's a small dog.
Yes.
He want to do the same thing as Freya.
Yeah. And then the other one. Just... Okay.
Oi.
Oi.
We're outdoors.
Yes. Hi everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos. We are out on a picnic enjoying our Easter holidays, doing what most Norwegians want to do this time of the year, and it is to spend time up in the mountains outdoors.
Drinking hot chocolate, eating chocolate, oranges.
Fröja då. Huh?
Oh, I have to put this down. And eating, we have sweets in our Easter eggs. They're all
Yeah.
filled up now. We're ready to go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we got an Easter egg each. I filled them with pistachio nuts because somebody ate all the chocolate, and it wasn't me.
Freya.
Well, Helmer and Freya have their own little egg with their own dog
and
treats.
they know which egg it is.
Yes, and in case they behave, we might give them some.
Yeah.
What else have we got? We've got our Easter oranges, of course, or mandarins, or tangerines, or I think they're mandarins, or clementine.
I think it's... What's
Well,
that in English?
It's an orange anyway, or some kind of orange.
It's in the family.
Yeah, really good. So this is what Norwegians do: eat oranges, drink hot cocoa, enjoy the sweets in the Easter eggs. And then there's that other tradition that we've talked about already, which is to read crime
Crimes.
stories.
And we have found our literature for this Easter.
Yes, we have.
You mind showing your crime?
Okay, so you want me to go first?
Yeah, you have the like...
Yeah, I have a traditional crime novel by a very famous Norwegian author. I'm sure a lot of you guys know him because he's been translated into many languages. And in Norwegian, his name is Jo Nesbø. And it's the detective novels with the police guy called, or the detective called, in Norwegian it's Harry Hole. So it's pronounced Hole. In English, it would be Harry Hole. But the real pronunciation is Hole. So
It's
Harry
the same
Hole.
meaning, actually.
Well, yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
And this is one of his old ones. So I haven't read much of him. So he is a great author. A little bit spooky though. So
And that's a thick book, so
Yeah.
since you have the thick one, I have two books.
yeah, but it's a problem, you know, these Norwegians wanting to escape up into the mountains, and then you're in the middle of nowhere, and then you read a scary book like this. Is a bit scary, isn't it?
These are not so scary. So I have my Nancy Drew, Frøken Detektiv på skattejakt. In English, that is... what's the original
She's on a
title?
treasure hunt.
The Quest of the Missing Map.
Okay,
Nancy Drew.
you're reading that one.
That one, and I have one more because they are so thin. So this is a Koffertmysteriet. That is
Mystery with a suitcase, I guess.
The Mystery of the Brass-Bound Trunk.
Oh, okay. So there are a little bit more simplified titles in Norwegian.
Yeah. So this is my books for Easter.
Yeah. Another
Yours is more scary.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is more cozy. but
Absolutely. Another typical thing with Easter in Norway is that we feel we're in the middle of nowhere in the mountains, but there are many Norwegians around. Which
There
is
are-
why these two are a little bit anxious because
Yeah.
they keep seeing people and they keep barking.
Because now when it's Easter, people are up in their cottages, so
Yeah.
there are people around, and these guys are not used to that, so they go nuts.
Care for
Talking
pistachio
about
nuts?
nuts.
Yes, talking about nuts. Pistachios.
That's good.
And have Freya and Helmer behaved today?
They have
Almost?
been really almost nice.
Whoops. Okay, so
They've been nice.
Okay,
enough.
so-
Oi, Helmer.
we'll give them some treats as well.
Yeah, they know where it is.
Helmer, sit. Sit.
Sit. Oh, can you
Sit.
sit?
Ah, så flink. Freya, sit. Sit. Ah, so flink. Yeah, that was a special Easter treat because
And it was not the sit.
everybody needs a treat. So we are going to take a holiday now, but our tutorials are going to continue on Sundays. So we really look forward to having you hang out with us weekly. And yeah, what else?
what else
should
can
we
we
say?
do?
We're gonna be here enjoying the mountains, skiing, and doing picnics every day,
Reading crime.
reading our crimes, and then going to bed scared at night. So we look forward to that, don't we?
We do,
Mm.
and there will probably be some knitting or something in between.
Yeah, in front of the fireplace.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for watching. If you're taking holidays, we hope you enjoy your Easter holidays, and we will be back very, very soon.
See you
Okay.
next time.
Hei. Hei.
Bye.
Bye.
God påske.
God påske.
God påske. Helmer, god påske.